Today we got a video from Crime Scrutiny, and the title of the video is "She Found a Body in Her Backyard."
Back here, you guys, please.
Who shot him?
I don't know.
Ma'am, do you have any information on the guy that did it?
I think his name is Izzy.
Izzy?
Yeah.
What does he look like?
He's tall. He has long hair. He has like a tattoo right here on the side of his face.
Did you see it happen?
No.
No? How did you find out?
Because he came in running in. He's like, I thought he wanted me to, and I was like, what are you talking about? And then I seen he had his gun, and I thought he was gonna do something to me, and I was like, what are you talking about? And he said, I thought he wanted me to, and I'm like, wanted you to what? Like, why would someone want you to shoot them? And then I ran back there with him, and when I came back, he was gone, and my door was open and everything.
So the suspect came inside here?
Yeah.
Do these cameras out here work?
No.
No?
I don't know. My mom, they like off and on. I don't know if they record or not. You have to ask my mom. I'm trying to call her.
Okay. Where were you at when he came in?
When he came in, I was about to start doing my dishes.
So you were in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Did you hear anything? Or?
I didn't even hear the shots, or I did not even hear it.
So then he came inside, and then what did he say?
He's like, I thought you wanted me to do it. I thought you wanted me to do it. And I was like, what are you talking about? And then when I seen his gun, I already knew what he meant.
Is he your friend or just his friend?
The guy that's men or who? Or the one that shot him?
The one that shot him?
No, he's just his friend.
So he's been here all day?
No, not all day. He just came with him.
About what time?
I can't even tell you, like maybe an hour, 2 hours ago.
And then who is he to you?
Just my mom's friend. He's just a family friend.
He's just your mom's friend?
Yeah, family friend. I've known him for a while.
What other information do you have on him?
That's it. I just...
No last name or?
No, let me see. Maybe Facebook.
You have him on Facebook or social?
I think so.
Have you seen him around before?
Yeah, he's been here around. Like, I know of him, you know? Mom!
Yeah, but this don't make sense though, because he came in and said, I thought you wanted me to do it. I thought you wanted me to do it. I thought you wanted me to do it. As in her. So he thought that she wanted him to do it to him. That's how I take that statement. That's how I take the statement. But she's sitting there kind of like playing, oh, he's a family friend or whatever. He's just, I don't know what, like, what? I don't know. It seemed like she might have some involvement, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Mom!
Is this still relation to be here?
What? Mom!
His family friend.
Yeah, he's a family friend. That's, I guess, a friend of her mom.
Mom! Wait, who is this?
He's a friend of her mom.
Yeah.
Is he shot him? Is he shot him?
If you could just please hang up the phone. I know you want to tell people, but we just don't want them coming here.
Okay. Are you okay? Yeah, I have to hang up with you, but this is my mom's on the way though, right?
It's okay. You're okay.
Yeah, don't.
It's okay, right? You're
No,
okay?
just.
Yeah.
She's on her way.
Okay.
Go ahead right now, okay?
Yeah, we're not gonna. We're probably not gonna let her in, okay?
Oh, look, right here.
Your boyfriend?
No, it's my mom, whatever it
Your
is.
mom's boyfriend? Okay.
I mean, we can't have you come in right now, okay? There's a crime scene right now.
No, I'm dead.
We're gonna have you wait on the curb, man, but we can't let anybody else out right now. It's a crime scene. All right, we don't need you disturbing it, or we're trying not to stay out, so we can disturb it, so we can solve the crime. Do you know anything about this?
Look, there's this kid that was hanging out here. He was disturbed. He was very disturbed. He was very delusional. I was talking to him. He had a gun on him. And I got the gun away from him, and I was talking to him. I was trying to talk some sense into him. I was trying to tell him to get some help. And
When was this?
this was earlier today.
Do you know the kid's name?
Probably easy.
You know about how old he is?
22 maybe?
22?
I had a feeling that something like this would happen.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
He's disturbed, no grip on reality. He thinks that people are shapeshifters and He's screwed up in the head.
Did he just talk to you about that kind of stuff, or
Yeah.
what was he saying?
I don't know if he did this, you know. What I do know is that he needs help. I tried to get him some help. I tried to get him to go to Lucia Valley. He didn't want to do that.
Has he tried to go in the past?
I don't know. Like I said, I just met him. We can't let you go in. Hey, I know you need to go. I know you want to go to kind of relax, okay? Can you do me a huge favor? Are you going to go back to your apartment?
No, I want to go with my sister.
Okay. Well,
Oh my God, my son's alive, right?
can you do me a favor? I know you're going to go to your sister's. Is there any way that you can go to your apartment and get your phone so that you can get in the number? We need to know what happened. Okay, we want to do right for your son. Okay, so we need everyone's help. I know this is a lot to ask right now.
Over 3 days, investigators searched for Isaiah until someone came forward with information on his whereabouts, leading to a high-speed chase until he was finally cornered.
See, this is why I like Crime Scrutiny. I ain't gonna lie. See, Crime Scrutiny, listen, if you're not tapped in with these guys right here, they're another channel that also kind of posts other people's like body cam. Like they post, you'll see some videos on there that you've probably seen before, but they cut out like a lot of the BS, you know what I'm saying? And just get straight to the action. It's action packed. And it cut out a lot of the noise. That's why I like messing with Crime Scrutiny. They're probably the only channel that I like that, you know, repost other content. You know what I mean? They redo it. But I like, yeah, because you can imagine this is a big case. So the real video was probably 30, 40 minutes, probably. You know what I'm saying? But they chopping this down to 7. Let's get to the action. Let's get back to it, man.
Put your hands up! Get out of
Oh,
the
yeah.
car now!
So basically,
Get out of the car! Get to your seat! Hey, come towards me! Come towards me!
Daryl, get to your seat pillar.
I can't. My car's still drive.
Daryl, you got comms.
I got you guys. Come towards me first.
What you want?
Bobby, you take command.
Hey, stand up! Okay. Stand up! Keep your hands up! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Walk towards me! Okay. Walk towards me! Okay, I'm walking. Keep your hands in the air! I don't have nothing.
959, switch to your right. You're going to go hands on.
Hands in the air! Walk towards me now! Please don't shoot. I don't have nothing.
I'm backing up.
Yep, I got you.
I'm backing up. Keep coming. There.
Please don't shoot.
Keep coming. Walk towards me. Walk towards me. Keep your hands in the air.
They should have to turn around. What the
I got
fuck?
you. I'm scooting back more.
Yep.
Stop.
Get on your knees.
Get on your knees. Hands on top of your head.
Get on your belly. Go front. Put your hands behind your back.
I thought
Your
you were on
life is
Bobby.
over.
Sorry, bro.
Here.
What we got?
So we got a phone call saying that they saw him in a tan SUV. I saw the lights on and I'm like, oh shit. So I told him, I just kept driving because he was right behind me. So I flipped around and I told him, I'm like, hey, he's right there. Hey, but so you know too, you're going to get another charge for running from me. All right, because I was right behind you and you're driving reckless.
I'll take that one.
So I'm going to tell you right now for that one.
I'll take that one.
Okay, boss?
Because I did. You're right. I did.
All right.
All right.
So a
He
detective's
don't
coming
care
out,
about that
boss, so I'll
charge.
keep you informed. I have 7 warrants for your arrest, so you're going to jail either way. Sit down there.
You think he care about that fleeing and eluding charge? Man, he got bigger fish to fry, man. His life is over.
Can I have some water?
Yeah, I'll try to get you some right now.
Yeah.
You have buckets in there?
Oh, yeah. Then you take them off?
Nah, you're good right now. You have any injuries, anything like that?
According to court records, Isaiah was charged with second-degree murder. Bond was not allowed. The case proceeded to a jury trial, where Isaiah was found guilty of second-degree murder and sentenced to 20 years in prison.
20 years? That's not bad, I guess. You know, typically we see 25, you know, so 20 years for a body? Damn, threw his life away, man. Threw his life away. Yeah, I like Crime Scrutiny, man. I ain't gonna lie. I like they channel, man. I don't really like channels that, repost other stuff. Like I don't really jive with that stuff too much. But these guys, man, look, you gonna see some videos that you done probably already seen, but they just chop it down. 9 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 5. Like they chopping it down. They chopping it down, man. I love it. I love it, man. Look, like we all seen this one that went viral a while ago, the sugar daddy one. That one, damn, what was that? Maybe a year ago? I forget when that went viral. Probably a year ago. I didn't do their version. The regular video was way longer, but yeah, man, Crime Scrutiny. They're the only repost channel that I like, man. The rest of them, they literally is just putting up the same video with some other, no, these guys is chopping it down. Break that shit down, man. Straight to the action. That's just how I like it. Straight to the action. Tired of the small talk, man. All right, I'm out of here, man.